Guys, is your Bermuda grass losing that top-notch green look maybe during the summer? Like here in Dallas, it's July. It's getting that heat stress. It's losing its nutrients. It's doing everything it can to fill in, to grow. You got that constant summer sun during July. It needs some nutrients to get back its invigoration. So let's go. So it's July here in the Dallas area, and my lawn is losing sort of that dark green wow appearance that it usually has. We're not talking dead, we're just talking dull. You want that wow factor back. So it's just washed out. It gets this when it's lacking nutrients. Now to fight it, I'm gonna use my favorite product. I'm not sponsored by Lesco's. I just love this 28-310 Poly Plus, which is a slow release nitrogen. It's not gonna burn your lawn. It's gonna settle in and it's gonna feed it for the next couple months. It gives you that boost of green. It gives it grass the nutrients it needs. And it's just an all-around good product. I get this over at Site One at my neighboring city. Gotta thank those guys. They're always knowledgeable and helpful when I step in there. So here's what's happening. The Bermuda grass is a warm season turf. Even it starts to feel the burn during the summer temps. When soil temps get high, water gets inconsistent, and nutrients feel depleted. Combine that with mowing and foot traffic and boom, the color fades. It's not dead, it's just a little stressed. It needs some vitamins, so let's feed it. So Lesco's 28-310, one of my favorite slow release nitrogens. Let's break it down. The 28 is nitrogen. What it's going to do is give your grass that vibrant green top growth. It helps push new blades and boost chlorophyll production, which is key for color and recovery. The 3 is the phosphorus. Not a ton because Bermuda doesn't need much once it's established, but it helps with root strength and stress recovery. 10 is the potassium. So the potassium helps your Bermuda grass tolerate heat, drought, and even disease. This formula is mostly slow release nitrogen, which means it'll feed your grass gradually with no growth explosions, just steady, healthy green. So what I'll do is I'll apply this stuff early in the morning when the heat's not scorching down on the grass. We're about to get some light showers, which will be perfect because you want to run your sprinklers 15 to 20 minutes after you put this stuff down to really start watering it in. I just realized I got my dorky glasses on. That's okay. We're ready to go spreading. So I know I'll get a few questions on why this area looks dark and light. That is hybrid grass versus standard Bermuda. And it's fighting each other, and hopefully the hybrid will win over and I'll have a nice dark lawn. But that's what it is. So that's going to give a nice color boost with the nitrogen and also improve the health of the grass from the heat, give it a little bit of heat tolerance from the summer heat. Okay, just a side note, in case I forgot to mention, you do not want to put down this stuff if your lawn is severely drought stressed. If you've already got cracks, or maybe your lawn's already yellowing and stuff, just water. That's all I need, just water. You got to fill in later when it's cooler and maybe it's not so depleted of nutrients. So we're going to try to get the drone. It's trickier back here because of my trees are growing so well. Whoever says doing YouTube is easy, it's obviously not done YouTube videos, at least this caliber, which is amateur hour. Whoops, I just made the drone go higher. We'll keep all these bloopers in this time. There we go. See the grass, it doesn't get anything back here. I spray for weeds one time a year because I don't want to do anything because my dogs are back here. So it fills in nice though, look at that. Let's get to feeding this grass. I bet it sucks it up like a kid with a vanilla shake. And that's how I do it. Maybe not clean, but definitely Texas style. Also wanted to show you something. Let me get the camera off the mount here. Check it out. If you haven't seen my poison ivy video, go back and check it. I don't know if that's a new one growing. It does not look like it, but that stuff is gone, obliterated. The stems aren't even there anymore. So if you haven't gone back, I don't know what side the video is on this side. I'll put it up here where I did the prune and brush method on some poison ivy I had with Bio Advanced Brush Killer. It worked. Stuff is gone. Anyway, that's quick, dry days of summer. Nitrogen, feeding your lawn some nutrients, and getting it back to its glory. It's looking a little dull. Still green, not yellow. Still green, but just dull green. And you want to give it that pop again. It's not the time to put down iron. It's time to put down some slow release nitrogen. So everybody take care. Drone's above me, probably gonna run out of battery. Follow my head. Use the links below. Get the stuff you need. Get your lawn back in Texas shape. See you guys. Hopefully everybody's doing well. Prayers to everybody that was affected by the recent floods. It's hard. Take care, guys. See ya.